Feels good. This is the Gausha tool. Sakara outdid themselves again. This is the level 2 detox. Detox from a cellular level. This is a 5-day detox, and they make it very easy. They have a daily checklist, and they tell you exactly reminders of what to do days 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all your food is divided up into day 1 and 2. And I think I'm gonna get day 3, 4, and 5 on Wednesday. So it's fresh, and they eliminated all allergens. If you look at the daily or at the digital guide, they'll explain like what allergens like soy, gluten, and sugars, refined sugars, they got rid of all that for the next 5 days. So from a cellular level, we can detox. I think I'm gonna organize everything by order. So, well, maybe just putting everything in the same place. So I'll make room in the refrigerator, and we'll just see how this goes. The bag that they give you is really helpful for when you go to work, so you can bring your food with you, and it's a refrigerated or a insulated bag. They've really changed the look. The old bags used to look like this. Eat clean, eat whole. So this was their old bag version, and so a much different version this time. The digital guidebook gives you everything you need to know about your detox, so you don't waste everything that they're giving you. So they've eliminated soy, corn, nightshades, alcohol, caffeine, pesticides, toxins, chemicals. They've eliminated gluten, grains, refined sugars, meat, dairy, and animal products. You're given 3 plant-based meals, nutrient-rich, which averages about 72 different plant ingredients per day. Key ingredients are fiber, antioxidants, phytochemicals for optimal health, detox supportive vitamins B, C, E, D, and autophagy enhancing nutrients. Resveratrol, quercetin, and omega-3s. Super excited. I have not done the detox before. Feels good. This is the Gausha tool. So if you feel like following and seeing what this Sakara reset is like, just follow me, subscribe, and I'll upload every day, like just the steps. And this is my first time doing a detox. So if you are a Sakara circle already, that means you've bought something from Sakara. You're a part of this circle, and they really support everyone in the circle. Join me if you just want to stop in every day, see what it's like to do a detox.